Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to use AI to upscale blurry photos to 4K. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. First, you need to choose an AI upscaling tool. There are several options available online and as apps, such as Topaz Gigapixel AI or web-based tools like Let's Enhance. These tools use artificial intelligence to rebuild missing details in your image, making it sharper and higher in resolution. Next, upload your blurry photo into the tool. Most platforms have a simple drag and drop interface, so you can just select your image from your device and upload it directly. Once uploaded, the AI will analyze your photo and detect edges, textures, and patterns. After that, choose your upscaling level. Since we are targeting 4K quality, select the 4x upscale option if available. This increases the resolution while trying to preserve natural details. Some tools also let you enhance faces separately, which is useful for portraits. Now start the processing. The AI will take a few seconds or minutes depending on the image size. During this step, it reconstructs details like skin texture, hair strands, and sharp edges that were originally blurry or pixelated. Once the process is complete, preview your image. You'll usually see a side-by-side comparison showing the original versus the enhanced version. If you're happy with the result, simply download the final 4K image to your device. Finally, save your file in a high-quality format, like PNG or high-resolution JPEG, to maintain clarity. And that's it. With AI tools, you can turn old, blurry, or low-quality photos into sharp 4K images in just a few clicks. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.